easy survey that was completed in about 10 to 15 minutes with an easy format that allowed anyone to access it.
They had lots of different questions about lots of different topics, which are usually not talked about in school. So I think, yeah, I got to really get a point across, and I like the way, unlike the other boxes, you could type more stuff into it if it didn't come right on the
scale thing where you're showing you how you like bus, so it'll actually give you like a full-on opinion how you see life, and it'd be helpful for someone to help